Yeah, what's going on? So we got a video by Bodycam leak, and the title of it is entitled 19-year-old thinks she can steal without consequences. Okay, without consequences. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one.
September 27, 2023 in Florida, officers responded to a call of a couple observed shoplifting.
What are you doing? What's going on? 10-12 with some female. Scared of what? What's your name? What's your name?
I don't have a name.
You don't have a name. What's going on? Hey, excuse me. Stand by.
Don't touch me.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Did you see somebody? Why are you hiding?
Because you guys were running after me.
We were running after you.
Yeah, because you guys told me to stop, and then you guys were running after me.
Where's your boyfriend, buddy?
I don't have a boyfriend. I don't know. I just know that you guys are
11601
following me.
PGA.
Why
This female, possibly 10-12 with your boyfriend, who was the Sigma 30.
I don't have a boyfriend.
All right, so who are you in the mall?
I'm not telling you anything.
You're not?
You're not telling us. She's saying she's not telling us what's going on.
Hey, where's he at? We're going to put the dog on the ground and bite him. So where's he at?
You're not putting it. Well, you can.
You can't tell us what to do.
Okay, I'm not telling you what to do or not, but.
Hey, what are these called?
All right, I'll call Mike, get the dog over here. All right,
She's not cooperating.
get with Shane and ask.
Yeah, she's got an attitude problem. Like, you're already caught. It's done. You know what I'm saying? You might as well just whatever, but let's see how she makes this worse.
Don't get with Shane and ask him. Just verify that she was with him.
You got his number?
Where
Hey, ma'am, excuse
Where
me.
you going?
You're detained. Put on the ground. Put on the ground. Get to the ground. Get to the ground.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm going to tase you. Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands.
Put your hands behind your
You're
back.
gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get
Put your hands
tased.
behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back now.
Put your hands behind your back. No. Yeah, get right, boy. Hey, you don't want to follow directions? You gonna get right, boy. You gonna get right. Put your hands behind your back. No. Yeah, I bet you she gonna put her hand behind her back now.
Put your hands
Put your hands behind your back now.
Act right.
I'm literally on my hands.
You told us no.
Of course I'm gonna tell you no.
How about I can't?
I can't.
Well, that.
And I won't.
10-4, taser deployed.
No. No. No.
No, that
Jail
worked.
for
I
resisting.
don't have an ID.
What's your name?
I'm not telling you.
Okay.
Come on. Stay there. Stay there if you don't want to fence.
Is the male still on standing?
Ow. Ow.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shoutouts, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Don't cry now. Act right.
Hey, he's right here, yo. He's right here. Mel is right here. I got visual. He's going that way. He's going that way. He's going that way. Come here.
Come on.
Babe, Mel is in the parking lot looking like he's about to flee northbound. We need somebody. He got black male, Miami Heat shirt, blue jeans. He's running. Running on foot, going eastbound. Now he's going northbound.
I ain't gonna lie, to be running with all that stuff on, woo, it's a lot of stuff they carry, man.
Hey, drop it now. I'm going to tase you. I'm going to tase you. Take him.
Bow!
Get down.
Hit him with that act right, boy. Act right, boy.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Oh, yeah.
She got my hands on your handcuffs.
Oh, yeah.
Handcuffs.
Hey, I'll have
Hit that boy with that act right, boy.
Get him. I got handcuffs. Get his hand on the back. Give me the other hand.
Yeah.
Nothing on you, bud? Good job, bud. Hey, there's wires over here. Yeah. No way. I dropped my car. I told you to stop. Told you to stop. Alright?
That was a good effort. I like it.
Good effort. Good chase. Are those it right there?
No weapons.
All for that.
No weapons. Off my leg. I'm terrified.
Well, we got resistance charges too.
Yeah, we got fire rescue coming for you, buddy, alright? For sure. What does that mean? They're gonna come check you out, fire rescue, just make sure you're okay.
How the f pull this up?
What?
I'm missing the violator or what?
I'm so sorry.
For mental
Fire rescue. Make sure your vitals are okay. Or
I gotta do something.
I'm sorry.
Shit's off, right?
It's okay.
Traumatized.
Hands off.
Your wife okay?
Yeah.
I hate that left. I'm scared.
Come here, man. I'm gonna sit you up, okay? I'm gonna sit you up.
I'm
Roll this
scared.
way.
Hey, you know how you avoid all these problems?
Don't do it. I should listen to her. That's my fault. She told me not to. She told me not to. She told me not to. She told me not to.
Alright. You feel alright?
Is she alright?
Are you alright?
If she's alright, I'm good.
Yeah, she's alright.
I'm fine. Oh man.
Alright.
That taser felt good. Well, I've been out here, bro. I've been out here.
Let me see your eyes. Let me see your eyes. Good job.
I'm sober.
Are you 100% sober?
Swear to God, on my daughter.
Alright, just wanna make sure.
Is she alright?
She's good.
I heard that ass screaming. Oh my
Nah, I'm
God.
trying to take it
I
up.
love that
Cartridge
woman.
up. This one?
Yeah.
It's off. I know it's off.
Him, I don't like his history.
Who, me?
Him.
I'm about to say, give me a chance.
No, not you, him.
I just lost a key to her heart. I just lost it.
It might be, it may have fell down here when I took off the...
It's gone, bro.
Nah, it'll be on here.
It's gone, bro. Can I make sure I got it?
Hey, he runs a 4.240, bro.
100%.
I'm a state champion.
We'll make sure.
I'm a state champion, 2014. Powerlifting, 132.
That's a long time ago, so you're slow.
How old is he?
Huh?
How old is he?
Don't worry about that.
30.
I'm 22.
I'm more
I'll
fast,
leave him on the
bro.
race. I'll leave him.
He'll get you.
What's up, racing?
Hey, is this the shit that was stolen?
Yes, sir, it was.
They ain't got a confession.
Hey, man, it's what it is, bro. She all right? She ain't no problem. She ain't nothing at all.
Hey, can you get
She
someone
was
on video with
resisting.
that at?
She resisted me. She had to feel that round
Oh,
too.
she resisted you? What you talking about?
No.
She did.
Huh?
She did.
I hope she did.
Well, she felt the wrath.
She had to feel that wrath too. Like, yo, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, the black officers be like, yo, they like, it's like, we know the lingo. You know what I'm saying? We know the lingo, man. Had to feel that thunder, boy. Yes, sir.
Hold them, Will.
Two.
She's going too. She's going too for resistance.
I want to eat her heart. It's fucked up. My fault, though. It's gone, bro.
What's that?
Eat her heart gone.
Your heart's gone?
Eat her heart gone.
The key to her heart's gone?
It's gone.
So he had this just chain, and when the chain was broken,
I lost
he
it.
may have had a little emblem on there that...
What's her name,
on his
dude?
chest.
What's your girlfriend name? What?
There's a key on the ground.
Do we need this for evidence?
No. It's not.
I mean, I want to leave it there, but just hold it. Yeah.
It's a key that goes in that chance. Key to her heart, bro.
Her key to her car?
What's your question?
Heart.
All right, give me her name.
What was your question?
I don't know spell her last name. It's
Yeah, I taste it.
FD?
I taste it.
I don't spell her last name at all.
What crime did she?
You want to go over
Resisting me? Resisting me? You still don't even know her name.
It's foreign.
How do you say it? I told her
Yes, sir. It's
And she's probably a accessory.
I put his name on something.
accessory to what?
Did she help you commit that crime?
No, she did. She had nothing about it. She's innocent.
No, she's not innocent. She's going for resisting me.
For sure.
Hear me?
She's not.
Yo, 44 before you hit him with yours.
I'm not gonna ask him anything about the crime yet.
Hey, yo, we're gonna read this to you, all right? Based on everything going on right now, okay?
What's up? She got a rehab
No,
too.
I'm reading this to you.
She's got a rehab.
Brother, can you listen real quick?
Yes, sir.
On this ship that has a record created.
It's one question.
Oh,
You have the right to remain silent and answer any question.
you just got hired. You just got
Any
hired.
statement,
You're in the postcard.
I have to read it to you.
Okay, bro.
Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice
I'm
before you make
innocent.
any statement during questioning. So you cannot afford a lawyer entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during questioning.
Did y'all just hear him say he innocent after he just confessed earlier when the guy said, hey, is this one of the stolen thing? And the dude said yes. And now you gotta sit here and say that you innocent. That's why you just want to remain silent. Whether you guilty or not guilty, just zip it.
If at any time during the interview you wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to
I love
make
her,
a
that's
statement. This must be on free will. Any statement can and will be used against your court.
I love her. That's it.
Do you understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
116012.
You lost the key to her heart, though. You're in trouble now.
Hey, man, I'll get it back. If it's real, I'll get it back. I f***ed up. Yeah, I f***ed up. I'm man up. I'll get it back. I f***ed up. She told me I
Where
get
you
it
from? Are you even from Miami?
I'm from Texas.
Oh, okay.
We've been together for 2 years.
What part of Texas?
Fort Worth, Texas.
Hey, do you have a bag? Start getting a bag. Put
No.
all this dude's stuff in here.
Cars.
I f***ed up. I f***ed up. I f***ed up. I f***ed up.
Did you leave your car somewhere?
I had to run and get this guy
Where's that?
in the parking lot. You take me to my car?
He's in it. Hey, I'm gonna give him a ride over there. Hey, he's gonna be taken to fire rescue hospital, right? Or they gonna clear him here?
No, they kill him here. He just got tased.
What's the car number?
17493. You want my keys? Thank you.
But what I'm saying is if he wants to ride with the rig,
That'll work.
he can ride with me.
That'll work.
You got it? She's going though.
That'll work.
He see you see key back there, bro.
Doesn't have to go fire rescue. Nah, make
He see you see key over there.
Definitely something happens. It's in the back of their rig. There they are anyway.
Let him go. Hey, you ride with them
Shake him down good.
To where?
to the hospital, and then
With him?
yeah.
Alright. She needs to get checked out too. Oh, I got her property.
Yeah, bro.
You tased her too? Who tased her?
I tased her and him.
Wait, who you tased?
Him.
Oh,
I tased him too.
Well, I hit him with the first one. He kind
Hey,
of stumbled, got up and started running again. So we shot the second one at the same time and then dropped.
But her, I dropped on her because she wouldn't put her hands on her back, and we still don't know her name. We're gonna have to identify her. Can you get? You got your pad?
I tried. He doesn't know her last name.
He does. He just know how to spell it.
She's adopted, so she don't know her actual birthday. I don't know her birthday like that.
Hey, you're lucky I didn't tase you in the face though, bro.
For sure.
Because it missed you. One of them, the
This
pro.
guy right there.
There it is.
I respect you though, bro. Real talk. Real shit, bro. You hurt my girl?
You're a real
You hurt
man.
my girl?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
You hurt my girl?
Did I hurt her?
Yeah.
Nah, but I ain't.
Respect them,
Get
bro.
checked out though, bro.
Respect, bro.
Get checked out. Don't worry about me.
I'm perfectly fine with my girl, all right?
Okay. All right. Well, I'm just here for you. I think you got somebody else coming for your girl. For sure. Yeah. So where'd you get hit at? In the back?
Yes, sir.
All right. Anything hurting you right now?
My heart. I lost the key to her heart.
No, it's well. I'm gonna get you on the stretcher.
Yo, that dude is funny, man.
Come on, man. This is the pants.
Cool. See, remember me, he wasn't that fast. The only reason I didn't get the jump on him was because they didn't have the process.
Yes, sir.
He a little quick. He outran the
Hey,
Evans.
on a 40 dash, I dusted you.
You a little quick. You ain't fast.
I dusted you.
You're quick. You ain't fast. He ain't fast. He quick.
Hey, if I beat him in a race,
Hey, I got 100 pounds over you, man. I'm 260 pounds. And you let me catch up.
I'm 130. Ah!
The duo got caught in the arms of the law and were slapped with charges of resisting arrest and theft.
Overall, everything was like, it was pretty chill, man. That, like, the cop that was tasing everybody and stuff, like, I could tell, like, he be in the community, you feel me? Like, he's more relatable to, like, everybody else. Like, that's why he could, you know what I'm saying? He could talk the way he talk. Like, it's, you know, certain people can't relate. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, he's still doing his job, but he can, you know, he could talk that talk. You know what I mean? Like, and I'm gonna just leave it as that, man. But yeah, they going to jail.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.